Hi, my name is Toby Stull and I'm captain with Out in the Waters Sailing. We're an adventure sports sailing company providing charters, sailing lessons, vessel training and consulting here in New York, throughout New England, the Caribbean, and worldwide. We're passionate about sailing and we keep boats here in New York City and also out in the Hamptons. We also provide vessel training and consulting for those purchasing boats. So if you want to come sailing, please come sailing with us. We do a yearly trip in the Caribbean and can pretty much get a boat wherever you want to go. Please visit our website at www.out-sailing.com or contact me directly at toby@out-sailing.com. We're here today in Liberty Harbor to talk about boating.